Hey, Walker Paul, what do we do here?
We make the best auto content on YouTube.
Car Guys,
check with us.
YouTube channel. Like and subscribe right now. Piddly little Dodge. We out here in the bonus boy in the Ford Bronco Raptor 2024. Cactus green, and we are looking mean. 3-liter engine, twin turbo, paired to your 10-speed automatic transmission. 418 horsepower out of a turbocharged V6. 430 foot-pounds of torque. This thing flies. And check out the interior on this beautiful 2024 Bronco Raptor. This is luxury, this is performance. I mean, this is an absolutely bad machine in mean cactus green. I love this truck. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Follow us up, Car Guys, at Real Car Guys on YouTube. All right, guys, we're out here with the Car Guys YouTube channel with the Bronco Raptor. About to get after it.
Hey guys, this is Walker with the Car Guys YouTube channel. We got Jake over yonder over there hitting an alternative shot, and we're going to try to splice them up for you guys. But we're about to take it through this little, I don't know exactly how deep it is, but it's a little puddle of some sort. We're just going to do a little test out without putting too much tension on this new Bronco Raptor. But what we're going to do, we're just going to throw it in 4-high. Just make sure we don't get stuck. And we're just going to slow roll it through here because this is not our vehicle and we do not want to mess it up. All right, so we're dipping down into the water now. Plenty of traction, plenty of clearance. This thing's eating it up. Really no problem at all.
No problem for the 2024 Bronco Raptor in beautiful cactus gray.
What you guys think?
I think they need to like and subscribe, Walker, to the best car automotive channel on YouTube. We just put the Bronco Raptor out in the country. Statesboro, Georgia, boy, J.C. Lewis Ford. We out here in the 24 Bronco Raptor, just showing you that it can conquer absolutely all types of terrain. Got a nice deep mud puddle here, fresh. Ain't no problem for a 24 Bronco Raptor. Yes, sir. Like and subscribe, haters.